There's many ways to stand out to an employer, but I think one of the ways is by volunteering. And I like to call volunteering service leadership, because you learn how to serve.
Have a really well-written resume. And you need to keep in mind that employers are going to look at your resume anywhere from 6 to 20 seconds. So that first initial spot that they do, you want it to be very strong. We recommend having a master resume on your computer that you can draw from and individualize and tailor each resume that you do for the position that you are applying for. You want to use a Word document rather than a template because they're much easier to modify and change. And keep in mind what the purpose of the resume is to do, and that is to get their interest in you and get you the interview.
One key way to stand out in the interviewing process and to impress employers is to relate everything you're saying back to the job description. And then always remember to send a thank you after the interview. It really impresses employers to know that you remembered unique items about each person that interviewed you.
I recommend doing all of the little things that you can control. One of those little things is to make sure that you have a clean social media presence. LinkedIn is really utilized by all employers, and so you really need to make sure that you have a professional LinkedIn profile and are engaged on LinkedIn. That's how you're going to get noticed, and that's how you're going to be able to stand out.